If we want to include data that doesn't exist in both tables, but only in one of the two tables we are using in our join statement, there are three types of joins we might use: a left join, a right join, and a full outer join. Each of these joins will provide all the resulting rows of an inner join, but we may also gain some additional rows. So the result of an outer join will always have at least as many rows as an inner join with the same logic in the on clause. This video is going to focus primarily on left and right joins. When we write our select statements, the table listed in the from statement is considered the left table, while the table in the join is considered the right table. Let's change our inner join into a left join by simply writing the word left. The results set we get back will include all of the results that match with the right table, just like in an inner join. It will also return any results that are in the left table that did not match. Using these subsets of the accounts and orders tables, every single row in the orders table here can be matched to a row in the accounts table with an ID in the accounts table that corresponds to an account ID in the orders table. This result set is exactly the same as if we had used an inner join. A right join would produce a different set of results, though. There are 4 accounts without any orders, which means 4 rows of data that do not satisfy the condition of this join. Since it's a right join and not an inner join, these rows will be included at the bottom of the result set. They don't match with rows in the left table, so any columns from the left table will contain no data for these rows. We'll discuss more about what this means soon enough. You can see that after we join, this final table has all the same rows as the original inner join table, but it has these extra rows from the accounts table at the bottom that were not matched with any orders. Left and right joins are somewhat interchangeable. If we change this query so that the accounts table is in the from clause and the orders table is in the join clause, the extra rows will be in the left table. We can now run a left join, and the results will be exactly the same as the right join we did with the previous query. Because left and right joins are effectively interchangeable, we'll use left joins through the rest of this course. The world is by and large standardized around this behavior, so you'll rarely see a right join in the wild. This makes it easier to read other people's queries and quickly understand what they're intended to accomplish. Consistency is especially important if you're writing a query with multiple joins. We're not quite there yet, but we will be soon.